In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get level 10 on Steam quickly. If you want the fastest route, the main goal is simple: reach 1000 XP. On Steam, getting to level 10 usually means earning about 1000 experience points, and the quickest way to do that is through badge crafting. In most cases, each crafted badge gives you 100 XP, so if you're starting at level 0, you'll generally need around 10 badge crafts to hit level 10. The most efficient method is to craft trading card badges. To do this, buy cheap trading card sets from the Steam community market. Once you have a full set for a game, go to your Steam profile, open the badges section, and craft the badge there. Every time you craft one, you'll get 100 XP added to your account. If speed is your priority, focus on low-cost sets so you can craft multiple badges without spending more than necessary. It's a good idea to compare prices before buying, because some sets are much cheaper than others, even if they give the same amount of XP. Another helpful way to gain easy XP, especially on a newer account, is by completing the Community Badge. Steam offers this badge for doing basic platform tasks, and it's one of the easiest ways to get some early experience without needing to buy as many cards. These tasks can include setting up your profile, adding friends, and trying out built-in Steam features. It's worth checking your badge progress to see that which tasks are still incomplete, because this can reduce the number of trading card badges you need to craft. You can also use Steam points for seasonal badges. If you've made purchases on Steam before, you may already have points available in the points shop. Seasonal badges can give you extra XP, which makes them a useful option if you want to level up faster without relying only on trading cards. This works especially well as a supplement, since it can help you close the gap if you're a little short of level 10. So, to get to Steam level 10 quickly, focus first on reaching 1000 XP, mainly through crafting trading card badges. Then make things easier by completing the Community Badge and using any available Steam points on seasonal badges. Combined, these methods give you the fastest and most practical path to level 10.